everyone, it's Mary and welcome back to With Love Designs. Today we'll be making a quick gift card holder purse, little purse. It's really easy to make, very minimal supplies, but it does fit a gift card like I said, and something small like a candy or a lip balm, which I always mention. And that's pretty much it, just multiple like gift cards you can put in here as well. Alright, so let's get started. So you'll need a piece of paper that's 3.5 by 11, and on the 11 side, square at 1.5. Sorry, at 1/2, at 1, at 5, 5.5, 6, 10, and 10.5. And then you're going to rotate it, and then you're going to, as you rotate, you're going to score it 1/2 on one end. Okay, so that's all you need. I picked pretty paper because it's going to be a cute little gift bag or shopping bag, so very minimal. So I'm going to flip it over so you can kind of see where the score lines are and then where we're going to cut. So we're going to cut basically this piece here, the middle piece, and then the end piece. And really all you need to do is put a strap on it and you're done. So the strap measures, I'm putting just regular strap, not the shiny ribbon, just because this is already pretty shiny. So I'm going to do, the strap is 1/2 and 6.5 inches long. So what I also did is I didn't want just like a basic end piece like this. So what I ended up doing is I took a corner rounder or a corner punch, and I used this one here. It seems to be my go-to these days, but I used the middle one. So with that, let's do the corner rounder. And now I've got the same end pieces, just like the other side. So I have the same one, and then so just gonna help the paper bend a little, and then we're just gonna glue it like so. But it gives it a decorative piece at the end, so it's not just a square. So we're gonna glue it. Add some glue on both ends. And attach it, twist it a little bit. So it's gonna fight me, of course, I guess, because again the paper is shimmery, so you gotta just hold on to it for a little bit, just so that it stays 100% glued on. So give me a second, we get my clamps. So I love my clamps. My clamps are pretty awesome. They are what I use to build my purses. And so I'll use these to just reinforce it, and they're very, very, puts a good grip on them. So then I can do the other side. Do the same thing. Find my clamp here. And then same thing here and here. Match it up. Take the other corner. Initially hold on to it until it catches a little bit so I can put my clamp on. I don't want it to pop out. So now I've got that. Just want to make sure it's same height. All right. Now I'm going to clamp it. So as we wait for that to dry, I also did a tissue paper, which I'll put in here as well. But I did 4x4s essentially, cut them out. You don't have to. That's just how I do it and how to kind of make it look pretty instead of just shoving it in there. So I'm just like, you know, alternating the corners as best as I can. You don't have to have this many. I just ended up doing this many, but they're 4x4s, and then I'll just pinch it in the middle and then wait for this one to basically get done. But here's the one that I just finished, and you're just gonna put it inside like so, and it looks really full, just like a regular, you know, regular big size gift bag. So put this to the side for now. So my little flaps are done. So take these off. I did have some glue residual, so just take that off. And it's a really quick gift card. It's cute. You don't need any dies, anything. You just need paper. And you have your little gift card holder, purse. It's really cute. So now let's put the little tissue paper in there. First, let's do a gift card. A gift card in there. And a lip balm. My favorite go-to, it seems. And then tissue paper. And there you go. Isn't that so cute? Very, very cute. Really, really easy. Now you can even make this even prettier by putting embellishments like, let's see, what can we put? Oh, you can put, definitely you can put this one here, a sentiment. Really easy. Merry Christmas. So isn't that pretty? Which I'm going to do, but for these here, so that they're, you know, they're pretty on their own, I think, because it has its own detail. But if you wanted to go the extra mile, you can put a poinsettia or something to decorate the corners if you wanted to, or you can put these things that I got from Hobby Lobby. You can put them in the corner as well. Just anything, embellishments. Yeah. Have a ton of these. You can put like something right there, you know. You can do whatever you want with it. I think this is really pretty. If you wanted to put a poinsettia, not really cute. It doesn't have to be all corners, just one. And then you put your Merry Christmas, like so. And now it's pretty cool. So let me do that instead of just showing you. Let me do it. Probably put a glue dot. Bigger glue dot. This is a pretty big glue dot, as you guys can see. And so I'll just take one. So this one I got from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just trying to find the seam of the purse. That's just how I am. This is the seam that doesn't have any, so then you just put it right there. And then put your Merry Christmas. So I'll put some foam tape on it. Just so that it pops out with some dimension. I want every piece to have a little bit of foam. So now let's just peel this off, the backing. And then just put Merry Christmas right there. Now you've got this cute little gift card holder. Opens up, take the tissue paper out, and you've got a gift card. Lip balm, you don't have to do the lip balm. You can definitely just do the gift card. And put the tissue paper in here. And there you go. It's really adorable. So hopefully you guys like this project. Really quick and easy. Let me know if you guys have any questions. But thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys have a good week. Thank you. Bye.